In this video, we're going to talk about our Measurz web portal. And this was a feature that I was really excited to build out, because I think it can really save you hours each week with your patients and clients, performing not only an awesome assessment using the Measurz app, but also using this web portal to get your notes done in a matter of minutes, not hours each week. So it's really, really exciting to do that. Literally in the click of a button, about 3 seconds, you can copy the data out and put it into your other patient, client, athlete management systems. So it's really intuitive, really easy to use, and I'm really excited to see what you guys are doing with it and how much time it is giving you back each week to do more of the things that you love. So when we come into the web portal, you'll come into the home page here, and obviously you've got some direct links there to download the app. You can do that, and then you can either enter in your email and password there, or if you've set it up with your Google authentication, you can just push that button and it'll log you straight in. You'll notice when it takes you straight in, it takes you straight into this thing called the sessions inbox. And this is the thing that I'm really excited about. It's got all the sessions in there that you haven't uploaded into your other systems. So obviously you can store your data securely in the Measurz system. There's no issues with that. But I know a lot of people want to get it in with all their other data and all their other notes into the systems they're already currently using. Now, we have got some direct integrations coming, but the reason why I wanted to release this first is because I didn't think it was fair to penalise some people who aren't using the systems which have better APIs and still give everyone the ability to get the data out super quickly. So when you come in here, if you've got a session that you've already performed in here, you'll see it automatically loads up in the last session you did. And all you have to do is just hit that copy button, and really simply, I'm just going to paste into the menu bar here. You can paste all that data in there. So if I was to, maybe I'll get up a Google Doc just to show you exactly what it looks like here. And so if I take this and I paste it in, all of a sudden those notes are being copied out directly straight from there. And then, or if I refresh the page or if I go on to the next person, you'll see that person's then removed from that queue. So again, you can keep track of all the people and where you are with your notes. But as you saw, it's literally as quick as that. Pushing that copy button, which sits just there above the note, and paste it into the section. You've also got an email button here as well, which will pre-fill the email to your clients, but you can also put a comma in there, and you can add multiple email addresses in there. So if you wanted to send it to doctors, to coaches, to trainers that are involved with the people you work with, you can do that. You can also unlock the mobile app, which sends a generic message with the report you send. You can also type your own message in there, and then the PDF will obviously be attached. You don't see that here, but that's attached so people can access those results as well. So again, really quick to be able to share that, not only with your clients, but with everyone else involved with your clients. This last button here, you can also download the PDF report. You'll see, click of a button, it's downloaded in a second, and then you can drag and drop that wherever you want as well. So you've got the option to add the PDF file into your other systems, or you can just copy that data straight in there. So we think it's a real game changer and really speeds up the workflow. Again, if we sort of go through, we refresh those pages, if we copy that data, and I'll paste it in here again, and then so that all goes in there. You'll see there's a lot more tests done in that session with that particular client. I then refresh the page, or I go back to the next person, and moves on through there as well. You can also select all if you decide, look, there's a lot in there that I don't want to go through, or maybe you've been using the system for a while and you want to start uploading from now. You can just remove all those people in there as well. You can clear that list totally out there. You'll see there's a nice indicator up the session box telling you how many notes you've got there to complete as well. So we think you can get through those notes in a matter of minutes, as I said, not hours. Some of the other unique features in the web portal, which are really nice. So you've got your list of all your clients, which sit in here as well. And you'll come in here, if you click onto your client, and you'll see the same data you saw on the sessions that we just saw before. But you can also then come into each test, and you'll see a visualization of similar to what you see in the app there as well. So if we're coming in here, let's say, for instance, looking at shoulder abduction, you'll see the results over time, and you'll see the graph as well as the injury risk rankings there too. So again, really nice way you can visualize your data another way. Really great way to visualize it and expand it out onto Chromecast and Apple TVs and stuff on big platforms if you're going through the previous results with your patients and clients as well. So something really unique there as well. So really great way. You'll see all the clients there for all the business, and not only your own clients there. You'll also see the same trackers here, which are the clients, the sessions, and the tests across the whole business as well. So you'll see that as a team how well you're going utilising the Measurz app and how you're growing your business utilising objective data and or our Measurz testing system as well. Some other things we've got in here in the side menu in the Measurz, you've obviously got the dashboard, which will just take you straight back to this client section here. You've got the link straight to our Matt training portal, and if you haven't already, make sure you sign up for our Measurz training portal. Chances are, if you're already watching this video, you have done that, but if you're watching it on another platform rather than our training portal, make sure you get in there and check that out. You link to our shop so you can get some of the physical products, obviously, to complement your Matt testing to help you collect some data. We've got our feature request portal in there as well, so you can go and see what we're working in. I've got a roadmap there live of what we're working on developing, but also there's a part you can go and request your features that you want as well. And I'm really keen to hear your feedback around that because we're looking to really build this system for you and help you assess your way. The last thing we've got in here is your help portal, which has got a lot of the questions, the common things that we get asked around the Measurz and our Matt products in general. We also, to get help, we also have this chat button built in as well, which you'll see not only on our website, but here. And this has also got the help desk built into it as well. So not only can you get into the team, and we usually get back to you within 24 hours, but also you can come into the help portal there and access that as well. So we think it's a really neat and novel way to be able to do that. So I thought I should show you a little bit of this in action and show you exactly how quick it is to be able to perform your assessments and then get the data copied and pasted into your session notes in your other platforms as well. So as you see here, I've already started a session. If I was just to go in and sort of finish off these sessions as you would in sort of real life, just so you can sort of see how it works. So we're going to measure the sort of shoulder external rotation in this case here using the inclinometer. And I'm just going to go ahead and save that. Okay. When I push end session and end session again, all I'm going to do is come back to this web portal when that's been saved in there, and instantaneously you'll see that that's been added into that session there. Okay, and then all I need to do is I just need to hit this copy button, and I can literally just paste it straight into the notes there. So really is that quick and simple to be able to perform your assessments and get that data where you want it to do. So if you're not already using it, head over to measures.matassessment.com, save it, bookmark it, keep it and pin it as a tab. You'll see I've got tabs pinned here on my Google Chrome browser. Pin that in there as well. Highly recommend you do that. It's going to save you hours each week.